Rebecca Quinn, born the 30th of January 1987, better known by the ring name Becky Lynch, is an Irish professional wrestler. She has been signed to WWE since April 2013, where she performs on the Raw brand and is the current WWE Women's Intercontinental Champion in her record-setting third reign. Lynch is often regarded as one of the greatest women's professional wrestlers of all time. Quinn began training as a professional wrestler in 2002, initially working in Ireland, and occasionally teaming with her brother using the ring name Rebecca Knox. She soon began wrestling across Europe and North America on the independent circuit for various promotions. She most notably competed in Elite Canadian Championship Wrestling and became the inaugural Supergirls champion in 2005. In 2006, Quinn had a severe head injury during a match, which kept her away from wrestling for several years. She returned in 2012 and signed a contract with WWE in 2013, assigned to the developmental territory at NXT. Following her push to WWE's main roster, she became the inaugural SmackDown Women's Champion at Backlash 2016 and has held the title 5 times. In 2018, Lynch transitioned to a more aggressive character starting at SummerSlam, when she attacked Charlotte Flair, presenting herself as an unfairly treated underdog and dubbing herself the Man, resulting in a large increase in her popularity. In 2019, she won the Royal Rumble match, and in the main event of WrestleMania 35 won both the Raw Women's Championship and SmackDown Women's Championship, making her the first woman to hold both titles simultaneously and a 4-time WWE Women's Champion. This was also the first time that a women's match was the main event of a WrestleMania, which was also subsequently the final one-night WrestleMania as it expanded to 2 nights the following year. She stands as one of only 5 women to have headlined WWE's marquee event. After going on maternity leave in May 2020, she returned in August 2021 at SummerSlam to confront SmackDown Women's Champion Bianca Belair, whom she would defeat seconds later to become a 4-time SmackDown Women's Champion. With her WWE Women's Tag Team Championship win in early 2023, she became WWE's 6th Women's Triple Crown Champion. And then, after winning the NXT Women's Championship in September 2023, she became WWE's 6th Women's Grand Slam Champion. In 2025, she won the WWE Women's Intercontinental Championship and went on to set the record for the longest reign at 163 days. In 2026, she became a record 3-time WWE Women's Intercontinental Champion. Rebecca Quinn was born in Limerick on the 30th of January 1987. Shortly after her birth, her family moved back to Dublin. Her parents separated when she was 1 year old, and her father moved out, but her mother invited him back to co-parent when Rebecca was 4. When she was 11, her mother found a new partner, a pilot, and she and Rebecca moved to the coastal suburb of Bayside to a house beside that of her partner 2 years later. Rebecca in her autobiography goes into some detail on completing her growing years there. She started watching professional wrestling from a young age with her brother, Richie, who later wrestled under the ring name Gonzo Demondo. She was involved in horse riding, swimming, and basketball. However, she went through a difficult teenage period with problems with schoolwork, even failing physical education (PE) 1 year. While at Mount Temple Comprehensive School, she considered a career in acting, but was dissuaded by an aunt who was an actor. Quinn attended University College Dublin to study philosophy, history, and politics, but said she really hated it and dropped out. She planned to return to college to study health and exercise studies. Prior to beginning to train as a wrestler, she stated that she had been going down a bad path involving alcohol, but wrestling helped her give it up. Personal life. Quinn began dating fellow professional wrestler Colby Lopez, better known as Seth Rollins, in January 2019. Their relationship was made public in April, after months of speculation. The couple got engaged in August 2019. Their daughter was born in December 2020. Quinn and Lopez got married on the 29th of June 2021. Quinn's father, Ken, died in March 2021. On the 18th of March 2024, Quinn announced she had become an American citizen. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.